Just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys the trailer that we bought. Now that we've done so much work to it. Go down this side. There's the slide. This 13-foot long slide. Becky and I replaced that awning topper there. Access to the front storage. It goes all the way through, of course. It's your gray and black tank drain. It's your outdoor shower, which is pretty handy. Ladder going up the back. You gotta have that ladder. This is the back storage. This actually opens up underneath the bottom bunk. So it's not huge, but it does seem to be adequate. It's one of the vents for the refrigerator. Of course, that's your hot water heater access. It's the other side of the front storage bay. The previous owner built this shelf that almost goes all the way across. Didn't like it at first, but I've come to like it. Kind of easier to get things stacked in there. The front main bedroom area. Lots of storage. These closets are actually surprisingly big. There you go. We don't even have a TV in the bedroom in the house. There's your the AC vents. Three burner propane stove. Oven that's just only slightly bigger than our toaster oven. I guess you could cook half a pizza in there though. And the dual power refrigerator. Fairly decent amount of cabinet space. This is, as far as storage goes, this is one of the most spacious that we were able to find. Double bunks. They go back there a ways. There's room for a 6-footer in there easily. Bathroom, again, with lots of storage space in here. Handy little swing out mirror. The shower, again, fairly decent size for a travel trailer anyway. Okay, skylight, exhaust fan for for after spicy food. This is the inside of the slide. Nice dinette area. This has all got storage underneath. These benches slide out, and you can actually add an additional bench space on there to provide extra seating area. Of course, this whole thing converts into a double bed. And the sofa. Actually, it not only just folds out, but it's actually an air bed. So there's a powered air mattress under there, kind of like a Sleep Number bed. And entertainment center. And again, the depth of this thing is probably twice that of everything else that we've seen. Usually they only seem to be 6 or 8 inches deep, and this is big enough to be a closet. And of course, previous owner converted this TV space, put a that's a Blu-ray player back there, put a mount in there so that you could swing the TV out and pretty much put it at any angle that you want it. So that's pretty cool. That's just one more thing I don't have to do. So here's the air conditioning unit. Lots of lights in this thing. You can see there's more lights up there underneath the slide. More storage underneath, or over the slide. So, and of course there's a big storage drawer there for linens and such underneath that love seat. But unlike a lot of trailers we saw, this actually has an AC vent up in the bathroom. Have an AC vent here that conveniently can be pointed into the bunk area. Of course, there's vents here that you can open up on the air conditioner itself, direct air wherever you want it. Little smoke detector. Some under sink storage area. Microwave. Everything's working. No real issues. Of course, there was a little bit of leakage apparently from the previous owner, and they kind of caused that wood to separate. But I've already got a plan to fix that, so that'll happen somewhere in the middle of my long list. So, just wanted to give you guys an idea of what we got a hold of here. It's a home that's paid for, so give us something to stay in out there at the property, at the farm. So y'all take care.